It's the coolest little wheelchair ever. It's a beach wheelchair. Hey, what's up? What's up, man? Nice to meet you, man. I'm Harrison.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Reggie. Welcome to the studio.
Dude, this is crazy. This is an insane environment. Dude. So what do you do here?
Take pictures. I'm a portrait photographer, so I do a lot of portraits. I do a lot of families that vacation.
Yeah.
You know, the regular photographer life. It's pretty interesting. It's pretty fun. I keep myself entertained. So
it'd be easy to with where you're staying, man. It's cool. It's cool. I just like walked up in this place.
Go ahead, walk around.
Walk around. Look at.
Yourself at home.
Dude.
Your space is fun. Check out the new Mac.
Oh, he's got the new Mac? Oh, check that out. What a space, bro. What's back here? Is this just your equipment, like your extra?
Yeah, I'm trying to fill it up. I just got this shelf.
It's pretty dope.
Maybe a few weeks ago. Anyway.
Nah, so, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's Reggie. I'm a photographer here in Florida. I've been doing photography for about 10 years. I just moved into the studio about a year ago. You know, I love it. I love being here. Waking up every morning motivates me. You know, we've just been basically pumping out sessions all summer long. So now we're at that point where we're at the peak of the season, I guess. We're in July. So once July's over with, we're going to start that downfall where we'll be able to kind of focus on learning more and, you know,
downtime.
More detailed shots and stuff like that. So I'm excited for the rest of the year. Have a lot of plans. Hopefully I can make them happen.
No,
yeah.
but like he was saying though, this environment's crazy. Like
it is.
And I guess that's why we came for vacation. But
yeah, sure.
but like imagine like waking up and like seeing the ocean's like crazy and like working here.
Yeah,
it'd be
every
amazing.
morning you can ride your bike.
Yeah. You have a bike?
There's one right there.
Oh, he does have a bike. He does. He does have a bike. That is crazy, dude. It's such a nice place.
Yeah, it is. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro.
He's living the dream. Literally, like, he's working in an insane environment. He's doing what I love to do. So like this guy's the coolest.
All it really was is like time, like just taking my time to figure out what I wanted to do, and now that I'm doing what I want to do, just taking my time, perfecting that craft. So
this guy. I lifted it up like for 5 minutes, like this guy. You want me to get some drone shots of your place real quick?
Yeah, that'd be nice. He's about to do some drone shots for me, guys. Check out my website.
Yeah, do that.
And you will definitely see his footage. I am going to appreciate him for that.
Thinking I can make as many songs. Call the lady when I haven't been her, but she only hit it on my better. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted with a song, and I'm really intoxicated.
Look at us. We got it. We got the drone shots. Forgot I was in a vlog at the same time.
Oh yeah, I was not even paying attention.
Yeah, no, I was like, I forgot I'm literally filming the whole thing on this too. We got the drone shots for him.
Thank God.
Thank you. Thank you. You got it. He's got it now for his website. I'll put his website like right here and also in the description. I think now I'm gonna go to the beach or probably go to the pool, but it was nice having me, man. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I appreciate you.
This is the coolest place. Look where he's at. Like his studio is literally like right, like how long is it from the beach?
500 steps maybe.
500 steps. That's insane. That's enough motivation for me. This is like where I want to be in life. I want to be like at a studio doing my work, doing this crazy stuff. You know, this is what I want to be. But he's living the dream though. Mad respect to him. But yeah, man, I'll see you later. All right.
Oh.
Bye. For the vlog. Thanks for having me, man. I'll see you. I'll come back.
Bro. Thank you.
I'll come back. I'll come back to know you.
Cool.
Awesome. Such a cool place. Resolution Studios. I think I said it right. I can't spell or speak. But yeah, I got done with that. I think I'm gonna go to the beach just where the family's at. But yeah, this is fun. I'm having fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna enjoy my time here. I'm probably not gonna bring the vlog camera just because I'm gonna enjoy my time. I'm gonna put my swim trunks on and stuff. I'm going to the beach right now. I'm not gonna film anything, so I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna come back when we're doing something else. Does that make sense? All right, cool.
If you are calling to book a new reservation, please press 1 to speak to a reservation specialist.
Hey, I had a question. Do you know where I could do like a bike rental? All right.
3953.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling.
You have a good day, all right? Okay, so apparently they don't.
Your call has been forwarded to an...
Alright, I've walked into like countless places, and none of them have bike rentals. This is sad. How does he have a bike? How can I get a bike, bro? Where do I get a bike at?
Oh, we have ours at our house.
Oh, you brought them. Okay. Yeah, I have an electric bike. That's pretty dope. I just didn't bring it. That's my bad. You have no idea how sad I am that I can't rent a bike. All these places are closed, or, you know, I just want a bike, man. There's so many trails. I just want a bike. I want a bike. I should have brought one. It's my fault. I even had like a whole thing planned. Like I was gonna go get a bike around, vlog, adventure, like legitimately. But now I have no source of any type of like getting around, so.
I like to give my fans a rose. Curse of the talented. Everywhere I go, they wanna change clothes and pose.
45
So we're
minutes is really not that bad compared to the 2 hours we waited yesterday for another thing.
It's packed. This is what a neighbor feels like.
Ain't gotta wait to make them movies, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same, in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, I can't control it.
This guy's my own personal filmer now. Are you filming or you take a picture?
I'm filming.
You're my own videographer now?
Yeah.
You want to? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go on a journey to find a trash can. It's a wild trash can. It's a wild trash can. Got it. Let's go. Is that what you wanted?
Not really.
Yeah, just what's up? What's up? This is the guy. He hooked me up with cheese earlier for my ham sandwich. Thanks, man. He's got me some cheese. He's got the store and everything. Thanks, man. And he's now a subscriber. You gonna subscribe?
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe.
He's gonna subscribe. He's now a subscriber. All right, man. I'll see you. All right. See ya. So I'm out here, pretty sunset, drone, the beach, and my drone right now is like, oh, your SD card, da 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 da. Just fly and take my video for the vlog. I can't. I'm sorry. Imagine like, you know, cool flying at this time. I'm here for another day, so let's just get done another day. Okay, so it's like hurricaning outside, but I got this whole pool to myself. Nobody's out here. I haven't heard thunder yet, but like nobody's out here. I was like, since that drone shot didn't work, let me just go see if the pool's open. And it's open, and nobody's here, because everybody's at the beach, checking out the sunset. But I get this pool by myself. This is the coolest thing ever. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow for this. But this is dope. I get a whole pool by myself. This whole pool is for me, and just me. Bro, where am I at? I would cry if this thing got in the water. Oh my God, the wind. I'm thinking, it's like windy, and I'm like, I would cry if this thing flew in the water. But if you guys aren't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, bro, what are you doing with your life? Go click the red button, make it gray, say subscribe. You know the vibes. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Yeah, peace.
One rebel.
I got one rebel.
Playing on the playground at Christmas.
Yeah, man.
Get out of here.
I will.
Bang, won't stop till we're legends.